Hi, I am at a hospital and check up for my heart. Last Tuesday I required test ECG, my heart. It was bad. Because it is high. I will show you my ECG. My result ECG is kept from my doc. I just wait for after checkup then. I show my ECG.
Symptomatic naman kasi talaga to. Okay, so paano ako masasatisfy sa result na normal? As in, everything is normal. Pero may nararamdaman ako. Kaya nung makita ko